our world is see chapter 1, the planet Earth and the solar system. Question and answer. A, tick the correct option. Question number 1. What do we call a huge cluster of billions of stars? Answer, galaxy. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the hottest planet? Answer, Venus. Question number 3. Which is the most distant planet from the Sun? Answer, Neptune. Question number 4. The planet which does not have any satellites? Answer, Venus. Question number 5. Which planet has 2 satellites? Answer, Mars. B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The vast limitless space which include all celestial bodies is called? Answer, universe. Question number 2. The distance between celestial bodies is measured in a unit called? Answer, light year. Question number 3. Dash always indicates the north direction. Answer, pole star. Question number 4. All the planets of our solar system revolve around the sun in the fixed path called? Answer, orbits. Question number 5. Dash is the third nearest planet to the sun. Answer, Earth. C. Match the following. Great Bear, head of solar system, a giant cloud of gases and dust, shape of the Earth, red planet. Nebula, Mars, Sun, constellation, spherical. Great Bear, constellation, head of solar system, Sun, a giant cloud of gases and dust. Nebula, shape of the Earth, spherical. Red planet, Mars. D. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. What are celestial bodies? Answer, the sun, the stars, the moon, the planets and other objects are all heavenly or celestial bodies. Question number 2. What do stars look very small in the sky? Answer, stars look very small in the sky because stars are very far from us. Question number 3. What is Saptarshi Mandala? Answer, Ursa Major, also called the Great Bear, is a constellation of several stars. It appears in the northern sky. In India, the 7 stars called Saptarishi Mandala. Question number 4. Name the planets which are gaseous bodies. Answer, Jupiter and Saturn have gaseous bodies. Question number 5. Which planet is the closest to Neptune? Answer, Uranus is closest to Neptune. E. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Describe the formation of solar system. Answer, a giant cloud of gases and dust called a nebula appeared moving in the space about 4.6 billion of years ago. It cooled and gained very fast rotation. The 8 balls of gases of different sizes were separated from the nebula. The remaining central mass of the nebula changed into the star known as the Sun. The other 8 balls changed into planets. Question number 2. State 3 features which make the Earth a unique planet. Answer, Firstly, the Earth receives moderate heat and light from the Sun. This large quantity of heat and light is just sufficient to involve and sustain all forms of life on our surface. Secondly, about 3/4 of the Earth's area is covered with water. Water is essential for human beings, animals, and plants. No life can exist without water. Thirdly, the Earth has an envelope of air around it. It contains gases, water vapors, and dust particles which help in supporting life on the planet. Question number 3. Mention 3 main characteristics of a satellite. Answer. The heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets are called satellites. Satellites also do not have their own light and heat. They reflect light which they receive from the sun. Question number 4. Give a big description on the pages of moon with the help of a diagram. Answer. The position of the moon in relation to the sun changes every day. When the illuminated side of the moon is fully hidden from our view, it is called a new moon, Amavasya. The visible portion goes on increasing gradually day by day after the new moon day. At first, moon appear in crescent. On eighth day, half portion of the moon comes in our view. The full becomes visible after 15 days when half of its revolution is completed. The day when the moon is completely visible to us is the full moon day, Purnima. After this day, the decline of the moon's illuminated part starts. The illuminated part slowly disappears and the moon again comes to the position of the new moon. Question number 5. Write a short note on the other celestial bodies, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets in the solar system. Answer. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky space objects that orbit our sun. This can be a few feet wide to several hundred miles wide. Most asteroids orbit our sun in a region of space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, known as the asteroid belt. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are little chunks of rock and debris in space. They become meteors or shooting stars when they fall through the Earth's atmosphere, leaving a bright trail as they are heated by the friction of the atmosphere. Most of them break up in the atmosphere before they can strike the surface as meteoroids. Comets. Comets are the small bodies with a head and long tail. They are made up of dust and frozen gases. They appear in the sky after a long period. A comet known as Halley's Comet appears in the sky after every 76 years interval. Thank you.